In this video, we will guide you through proper storage procedures for the LED PAPI system to ensure your equipment stays protected when not in use. PAPI components should always be stored in a dry, dust-free environment. Avoid exposure to moisture, excessive heat, or direct sunlight. It is recommended that each device must be packed in a box suited to its size. Use the original packaging whenever possible. If the original container is no longer available or has been damaged, use an alternative that can securely hold and protect the PAPI unit during storage and transport. Ensure the interior of the wooden box is properly cushioned using soft protective materials, such as foam or padding. Carefully wrap the base plates and legs with protective wrapping paper to prevent any surface damage during storage or transport. Once secured, begin packing the components neatly and in an organized manner. Place the base plates at the bottom of the crate, ensuring they lay flat and stable. Then, position the PAPI legs securely into their designated sockets or compartments to prevent movement. This ensures all components remain protected and firmly held in place during storage or transport. With the assistance of 2 people, carefully lift the PAPI projector and place it inside the box. Ensure it rests on a layer of foam or soft padding, and that additional padding is used to secure the lens and prevent any movement or impact during transport. The projector's power cable can be placed in the gap located behind the PAPI projector, ensuring it is neatly arranged and does not interfere with the positioning or protection of the projector itself. Finally, cover the container with its wooden lid and securely fasten it using appropriate nails or screws to ensure the box is properly sealed and protected during storage or transport. Other components, such as the communication cables, power control unit, control box, and frame, should be individually wrapped in bubble wrap and stored in appropriately sized boxes to prevent movement and protect them from potential damage during storage or transport.